Hi, this is Tony. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Malaysian birthday noodle. And these are all the ingredients we're going to use for this dish. First, we're going to boil the Ramen. And once it's boiled, we take it out, put in the coriander. We're going to add some shallow oil, mix it around so that the noodle don't stick together. So once it's done, we're gonna cook the sauce for the noodle. We're gonna use the shallow oil. We're gonna fry the onion and garlic. Fry until golden brown, and we're gonna add in the pork. Pork which is already pre-cooked, and I julienne it, so it's much easier. So we're gonna fry the pork. After that, we can add the shrimp. Once it's done, we add in the oyster sauce, and then we add in the pork stock, which I already pre-cooked. There's no salt on the stock, so now we're gonna add in the MSG, pink salt, and some pepper. So once it's done, we're going to add in the cornstarch. Just a little bit thick, but not too thick. So once it's done, we're gonna put the sauce on the noodle. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe. You can cook it at home. And this is how I cook the fried shallot for the garnishing on the noodle. So when it's almost golden brown, we take it out and put in the tray with the some napkin. Thank you.